Climb the jeans and stuff.
Help me, Dad.
The jeans and stuff.
About a week ago, we filmed a video called An End and a New Beginning. In that video, we gave you choices of what to plant in our cinder block. But first, this is how we chip parsley seeds.
Parsnip. Parsnip. Say it.
Parsnip.
But first, this is how we chit parsnip seeds.
This is how we chip parsnip seeds.
Oh yeah. Using a container, the sort that most kitchens have lying around, because we always end up losing the lids, so we have spare boxes. I've lined it with some kitchen paper, kitchen towel. I'm just going to make that damp with my spray bottle. Now I get the seeds. The type I'm using are Countess F1. I'm just going to lay them out on the damp kitchen towel. Don't worry about spacings, because we're not actually planting them here. All we're doing is getting them to chit to see which seeds are viable or not. So long as they're not touching each other, doesn't matter that they're close together. Parsnips are a bit well known for being erratic at germinating, so this is why we chip them first before we plant them, to see which ones have germinated or not. Once they have germinated, they'll have a little white tail sticking out of the seed. So now I'm just going to cover it with some more kitchen towel, and then these will go inside into a warm place and be kept damp. When they've germinated, they'll then get planted out.
All your choices have been added up, and we can reveal that the winner is...
Drum roll. Ow, 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 ow.
Herbs. You chose herbs for this cinder block.
Right, so herbs. Thanks for that, guys. So we've got some parsley, which will go in that one. And then from seed, we've gone ourselves sage. Now, because it's only got one set of true leaves at the moment and it's very small, what we'll do with the sage is protect it with a pop bottle cloche. So move it, just make a hole. Do you want to start getting the parsley out?
Should I do it all in one or do it in a little strand?
Just get it all in one. Tease the roots. Excellent. Just curl that round. So we can use this in loads of different bits of cooking, can't we, Roo? All the soups that we make with the vegetables that we grow. Pizzas, homemade pizzas. Oh yeah.
They're delicious.
Right, so next one, sage. Just hold that for me, Roo, like that. Get this out. Gotta be careful with this. Right, let go. So we'll water these in. Bob's your uncle. Thank you for taking part and choosing. We're going to have 2 brilliant herbs here we can use for cooking. Thank you very much, guys.
Bye.
Like and subscribe, like and subscribe.